Hey guys, in this video we are talking about how to use XAMPP to set up a local WordPress in website. Setting up a locally hosted environment is a crucial step in any WordPress development project. Doing this enables you to safely test your site features and functionality on a site that's completely private. In this article, we'll explore how to use XAMPP to set up a local web server for developing and testing your WordPress site. This involves three steps: install XAMPP, run XAMPP, and configure your environment, download and run WordPress. We'll also discuss some best practices for experimenting with course and testing WordPress using XAMPP. Finally, we'll cover how to use XAMPP uh, with our WordPress multi-site installation. Why you might need a local WordPress site, a locally hosted WordPress site in one that is only accessible by people on your network that is there. And there are no live component as such. This type of site can serve as a safe environment in which new features and troubleshooting methods can be tested. Local websites are perfect for performing the following types of tasks: creating new theme and plugin. When using a local site, you do not need to worry about any of the issues you might encounter when developing on a live WordPress site. Um, uh, website staging. You can create a copy of a live website which can then be used to testing purposes, debugging and troubleshooting. Working under the hood of your live inside order to resolve bugs or other issues may lead to bigger problems and potentially costly downtime. Be creating a local WordPress site. You can try out various solution and easily restore previous version of your site should you make any mistakes. For these reasons, creating a locally hosted WordPress site is highly recommended for just about any development project. First, however, you will need to tool that will make the process of setting up a locally hosted site quickly. So, thanks for watching video. Subscribe my channel and like my video. Bye, guys.